This is the Lifan 8-gallon. It's a 24 horsepower. This in particular one has a 8-gallon pump, and it's actually rated for 4350 psi. It's key start. Just got her, used her for probably about 50 hours already. She's rock solid. Did an oil change on her. Very nice purchase from the guys over at Dyne Power Packs over at Vero Beach, Florida. If you're looking for an 8-gallon pressure washer with the custom pump, I chose the Uder pump, 3500 psi, but you can get it with whatever pump you want. Very easy to maintain. Very happy with the purchase. We're over at DynePowerWash.com in North Carolina. This is one of our smaller trailers. DynePowerWash.com, 919-680-1535. We do residential and commercial work. Do a lot of medical facilities, commercial office buildings in North Carolina. If you're looking to get your business power wash, give us a call, 919-680-1535. We're fully insured and registered in North Carolina. We have 5-star ratings. Check our Google page. We have over 100 5-star ratings. We're fully equipped for the job. We have the right chemicals, trained, staffed. But we are very happy with our Lifan 8-gallon 3500 psi power washer.